Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 29th, 2021. This is going to be our Yearn Finance price prediction. This is going to be our YFI crypto price analysis. We want to give you all a new price target in the market for Yearn Finance. Now, before I break all of that down, make sure you guys tap in with me. Make sure you guys come in and try to understand how to do this for yourself so that you can become more proficient at understanding how the market moves and where to expect prices to go so that you and I can both eat off the market and win and dominate. So if you guys want to join me, join the community, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because the only thing that we do here on this particular platform is focus in on the price, because when everything boils down into it, that's the only thing people are worried about. They only worry about where price is and where it's going to go. All this other stuff, all this other articles that people try to get you all to read and waste your time on, doesn't matter. It's already listed on the price chart. So you guys got to believe the price on the price chart, because it's actually everyone's belief all in one location. That is very powerful. So let's do this real quick. Let me break down the last price prediction we did in Yearn Finance, which is right here, September the 13th. We told you all on that particular day to expect the price to go down in Yearn Finance, and that is precisely what the market did. Now, I will give you this. You guys can see here from the price chart that the market actually went up the first 2 days. So it kind of shows you that instead of us having our restriction area around $35,645, we should have brought it all the way up here to $38,000. That was the only thing that we should have increased or adjusted somewhat from our price prediction. But besides that, look at the market price. I mean, look at what the trap has done in relation to our price prediction. He brought the price down in Yearn Finance. So I would say that's a pretty good call. I mean, from September the 13th all the way to the 29th of September, the market in Yearn Finance has been on a slow downward trend. So now the question is, are we still on a downward trend? Let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. So if we were to get out the market right now, today, this very second, that is 8.39% profitability. All right, so let me go ahead and take that away. And let's try to see where the market in Yearn Finance is going to go now, because zooming out of this price chart, look at this. This has been the price movement of Yearn Finance ever since it was listed on Binance of August of 2020. The market has been in a very slow upward trend, right? And now the price is still barely closing below that ascending line. This is going to be very crucial for the market in Yearn Finance to confirm that the price is still going to follow this overall trend. We need to see the price in Yearn Finance, plain and simple, start trading above that ascending line, because if that's the case, we understand that the overall trend in the long term in Yearn Finance is one of higher prices. But can we still see that? Let's take a look at the market in Yearn Finance on the 3-day time frame first. Okay. So this is Yearn Finance right here on the 3-day. Okay, let me zoom in on where we are at. And you guys can see that there's a lot of weakness hovering around this ascending line, right? We don't need to see this. If we really wanted the price in Yearn Finance to go up, we need to see strength right now. And over the last 3-day price bars, there's still people into the market selling. It is what it is. People are not really interested in pursuing the market higher in Yearn Finance. And when that's the case, we have to be prepared for the market to continue to go lower. This is what we're getting as this market in Yearn Finance is trading right here around our ascending line. We should not be able to see that. So it kind of shows us that this market may actually be in a consolidation range then. That would be the next best outcome for us to get, is the market in Yearn Finance to consolidate. So maybe we could get that on a different time. Let me switch this thing over to the 5-day time frame. You guys can still pretty much see that the market here in Yearn Finance is weak. Okay. Now, it's not extreme weakness, but the market is not necessarily giving us the oomph to show us or convince us that it wants to go up right now. It's not. So let me show you all the monthly time frame, because we are literally closing in on the last couple of days in September. You guys can see right now, this has been the performance of price in Yearn Finance right here. Look at this monthly price. So we was able throughout the month of September see Yearn Finance come all the way up here to $44,000, right? Throughout the whole month of September. Now we're trading at $28,964. That is not very good price movement for the last 30 days. We need to allow this price to give us some strength. And basically in the next day and 15 hours, if we still if we're still seeing the price in Yearn Finance hover towards the low end of this monthly price bar, the expectation will be for us to move lower, right? I know you all may not want to hear that, but I got to give you the raw information based off the price. The market is still showing us some weakness here in Yearn Finance, but there's still a hope, right? There's still some hope here that I'm seeing into the market in Yearn Finance. Even if we were to break this ascending line, guess what? Look at this. We can still see this price in Yearn Finance hold support here. $24,700. We can still see that. And that is probably the best thing we need to allow the market to do, as we still anticipate the market weakness to come through, is to let this market come down in price. Confirm that it's going to hold $24,700, because once it does that, then we understand that we are pretty much in a consolidational trading range in Yearn Finance, but the market's going to start lifting up in price from that moment on. This is what we need to be on standby for. Okay. So right now, given all the information that we're getting on these different time frames for Yearn Finance price, we need to look for this market to go down. We need to. That's going to be our expectation, is for this price in Yearn Finance to give us a little bit of weakness. So let me go ahead and show you all the play. Let me show you all my expectations, because pretty much nothing has changed, right? From our last price prediction on the 13th of September, we're still looking for the market in Yearn Finance to give us a little bit of dip, right? Not extreme weakness, but we got to see the market for what it is, okay? If you all are into the market in Yearn Finance in the long term, then more than likely this video is not applicable to you. But for those who are literally in the market, trying to get in and get out, swing trade a couple of days, move in, move out, this is applicable to you, because right now we're still seeing this weakness coming involved into the market in Yearn Finance. All right. So now let's go ahead and do the price. The first area of TP for us would be around $26,625. Again, $26,625. That would be let's do 26.5. It's about 8.75% profitability right there. Okay, I just want you all to see it. Let me zoom in. You guys can see where the first area for us to see the market try to come in and grab support would be. And then the ultimate area that I'm seeing into the market in Yearn Finance. Let me move this over to a 3-day real quick. Will be around like $24,845. All right. So you guys can see that we are literally breaking the trend. All right. That's going to be our expectation, is to see the market in Yearn Finance break the trend. I got rid of that ascending line, that the horizontal line, because the market's not trading up there just yet, and we're still anticipating the market to come down. I'm going to hold this ascending line because I want us to continue to watch the market price to see if we're going to be able to trade back up above it, because only under that presumption will the market invalidate our price prediction if the price is ever to come back up above our ascending line on strength. Okay, so I'm going to hold it there just a little while longer so we can continue to track the price. Okay, so that's it. This is what I'm seeing right now currently for price in Yearn Finance, right? I didn't give you anything confusing. I didn't talk about any technical indicators. I didn't talk about any analysis in regards to new protocols or blockchain development or new creations that they're trying to implement on Yearn Finance or in DeFi. I didn't say any of that. But we can still see, based off everyone's ideas about the price, of where we've been as to where the market's trying to go. So now I want to know, now's your opportunity, right? I want you all to learn how to do this for yourself. Call the markets with me. This is what I'm looking at. I have given you 2 TP prices. Give me your take profit price in Yearn Finance with a comment right now. Tell me. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I will see you again on the next video. Peace.